Welcome back. Today I am here with some proverbs, some idioms and phrases, and some words. One by one, I will discuss all of these with their meanings. Now let's start. The first one, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. You can't always get what you want. A picture is worth a thousand words. That means your image tells everything you did not describe what you are. A vast pot never boils. Be patient. Beggars can't be choosers. That means if you are in paucity, you have to take whatever the people are giving, not demand that time. Better late than never. Don't bite the hand that fits you. Don't put too many irons in the fire. Easy come, easy go. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Always plan for the best things, but be ready for all the consequences. If you can't beat him, join him. If you play with fire, you will get burned. No man is Iceland. Peoples need society. The grass is always greener on the other side. Best things in life are free, like water, air, and so many. Blood is thicker than water. Relationship is bigger than friends. If you can't beat them, join them. It's better to be safe than sorry. It's no use crying over spilt milk. Look before you leap. Once bitten, twice shy. The next one, silence is half consent. That means if you are not saying anything, that means you are agree with that thing. Still waters run deep. The show must go on. Two heads are better than one. While the cat's away, the mice will play. What does it mean? It means in the office or in any place, if boss is not available there, that time all other staffs will get enjoy so much. Make hay when the sun shines. A figure among ciphers. Good mind, good find. Many mind, many find. Great cry, little wool. One post and 100 candidate. There is something black. Hedges have eyes and walls have ears. A burnt child breeds the fire. Money begets money. Neither feast in or fall. To live in Rome, to live in Rome and strive with the Pope. That means the place where you are living, don't fight with the master of that place. Many a pickle makes a mickle. Gather thistles and expect pickles. Let bygones be bygones, forget the past. Everything looks yellow to a jaundiced. These are the phrases and idioms. At sixes and sevens, not organized. At the wheel, in driving. Out of the blue, not expected. Plum job. That means relatively easy. Something's fizzy, strange. Spill the beans to tell the hidden. Behind one's back, in one's absence. Big task on your hand, something important to do since day one from a long time. Is pure of the moment. Take a sudden decision. Time flies. Time passes quickly. Tricks of the trade. Acid test. The action which shows your ability. Almost hit the ceiling. Apple of my eye. The person you admire or love. Heart of gold. Hold your horses. Calm down. Back the wrong horse. Support the wrong people. Bad blood. Bag of tricks. Be a bearer of loves. Be entertaining. Get out of town. If you are seeing any people angrily, that go from here. Get over it. Forget the past. Get the ex. Lose the job. Get the show on road. Give me five. Go with the flow. Accept the things gone off tracks. Hands down, certainly. Close but no cigar. Deadwood. Don't sweat it. Draw the line. Put the limitation. Driving me bananas. Easier said than done. Explore all avenues. Hang on a second. Wait a minute. Hang out. To spend time with friends. Let's bounce. Next to nothing. No big deal. Very easy. On the same page. Having same ideas. No big deal. Very easy. Save his face to protect anyone. Separate sheep from goats. What's up? In the bag. I am feeling blue. Not feeling well. Whole bag of tricks. Work like a charm. You got me there. Young at heart. How's it going? In the pink of health. In the same boat. Having same quality. It's all flooding back to me. Remembering all those old past days. Keep an eye on. Kick the bucket. No longer working. Be full of beans. Black sheep of the family. Describe an odd member. Stay on track. Fill in the blanks. Make things completed. Fine tooth comb. Examine anything sharply. Quote a price. Take a chill pill. Take him out of the picture. That means you can say that removing anyone from any group. Take it easy. Talk a mile a minute. If a person is using so many words or sentences in a short while of time, you can say that talk a mile a minute. The chill wind of something. A piece of cake very easy. 0 hour. The to begin. Hypocrisy. Haughty. Gregarious. Decry. Caravan. Innate. Inherited qualities. Sage. Wisdom. Exigency. Urgent requirement. Laconic. Using less words. That means the people who speak less. Maverick. Mendacious. Disloyal. Elegy. The poem we saw sorrowness. A piece to make others happy. Ameliorate to improve. Furtive. Gainsay. Garrulous. Talking too much. Gluttony. Eating excess. Alacrity. Belie. False impression. Fabricate. Untrue. Avarice. Banal. Repeated. Penury. Extreme poverty. Paucity means scarcity. This one is the last page. Obdurate. stubborn. Plummet, fall sharply. That means you can say that temperature of these days plummet. Verbs using too many words. Vituperative, harshly abusive. Dichotomy, ebullient, showing excitement. Elated, high spirit. Perfidious, disloyal. Phlegmatic, no emotion. Placate, to reduce another's anger. Salubrious, helpful. 1 minute. Watch all this again. If there is any inquiry about these proverbs and phrases, you can ask me in comment section. Goodbye. Keep studying.